Good day vlog! Welcome to our tanamoms. Okay, to our tanamoms, daddies, plantitos and plantitas, as well as ati, kuya, inang, and tatang. Today is a beautiful day. But before I am going to share with you our review for this kind of plant, okay, let me appeal to you. Please do not fail to click the subscribe button for Mommy Scrups channel. So what makes it beautiful? It is because of this kind of plant, which I really like. It is because of the unique coloration of its foliage. And so, do not fail to click the subscribe button for my channel. Okay, and so, what family is this plant? This plant belongs to family Araceae. And I would like to remind you that there are plants with the same foliage wherein it has different name. So later I am going to share to you, okay, what could be the distinct character for this kind of plant. So again, this plant belongs to family Araceae, and that there are 489 species of this variation for that family alone. And so what could be the three distinct character for this kind of plant? The first one is, okay, always remember that the petioles is dark in color. Black. Actually, it's black in color. At my end, it's black. Okay. The second is having the hastate shape and the dark color of the juvenile leaf, which is different with that of the adult leaf. From your end, it is dark. Okay, so these are the color. So once it is still juvenile, it starts with copper color or burgundy color. Eventually, when it is exposed to sunlight, then it becomes just like this one, which is very beautiful. The third character, please take note, is the color of the stem, which is red in color. See? Red in color. So those are the three. Please excuse me for the interruption of the vehicle because I am located at the roadside. So again, first is dark black color, actually black color petiole. Second is the hastate or the spear head, or it's just like that of a shield, and which is dark in color. Okay, the juvenile one. And the third one is the color of the stem, which is, okay, the stem, which is red in color. Okay, and so actually this plant was named by Neil Crafter. Okay, it was named by Neil Crafter and another. Okay, they are climbers. Okay, you probably, okay, I'm going to move this a little bit, okay, so that you can actually see. Okay, so actually it has the aerial roots, no, aerial roots. So how do we propagate this kind of plant? Okay, we can propagate this by top cutting. So what is meant by top cutting? Okay, the topmost portion of the, since it is a climber, okay, see to it, okay, locate the node below the node, okay, and it is easy for this to be, for you to replant this when you are going to cut it, having those with the aerial roots. So if ever you are going to cut it, top cut it below the node, okay, you have to immerse that in water and wait for a month, probably 2 to 3 weeks, so before the roots will come out. Okay, so it was named by Neil Crafter. Another requirements for this one, you add use a self-draining medium Okay, what I use with the self-draining medium, as I have with my previous reviews, you can use a mixture of garden soil, a dark soil. Okay, second, add anonotong or the Cyathea roots and that of the rice house. Okay, so what could be the scientific name for this kind of plant? It belongs to family Araceae, genus Philodendron Cv Majesty. Okay, which is different again. It is Philodendron Cv Majesty or cultivar Majesty, which is different with that of the Dark Lord. Okay, I am going to explain to you why it is different with that of the Dark Lord. For Dark Lord, check the petioles. The petiole of the Dark Lord is red. Our Majesty is dark in color. Okay, in terms of the leaf, okay, kindly check spearhead. Okay, shiny, glossy when you are going to touch. Kindly check the juvenile, it's copper or burgundy. But when it's adult, okay, adult leaf, it is dark green in color, but still it has the spearhead. However, at the underside, okay, you can have the burgundy or the copper color for that of the adult leaf. While that of the juvenile leaf, you have the black color. Midribs or veins dark in color, okay, and then it is, the veins are prominent at the underside and that than at the surface. And then margin is entire with that, okay, hastate, sagittate base. Tip is acute, it runs between that of acute to acuminate. And so kindly check for the juvenile leaf, it has the burgundy or the copper color as well as that at the underside. Okay, and then for the adult leaf, okay, just like this one, okay, dark green in color, but still it maintains the dark or the burgundy color or the copper red color at the underside. For its petiole, kindly check, okay, petiole of the juvenile as well as that of the adult leaf. It has no distinction. It has sheath at the bottom part of the petiole. Petiole are soft, and then it is attached to the red stem. Okay, kindly check the red stem. For this, for our Majesty, it is a spear-heading philodendron. Why? So why spearheading? I am going to explain to you. It is because the distance between the petiole are short. Okay, distance between each of the petiole is short. That is why it is termed as spearheading. Okay, it grows upward, and then we can top cut this. Okay, top cut below the node. So this is how it looks like. Okay, when it is it likes filtered sunlight. It doesn't like direct sunlight, so that it will achieve, when it is in the you are going to place this directly into the sun, okay, the leaf will be dark green. Actually, I place this in a filtered sunlight so that I can achieve this kind of plant. So once again, this is our Philodendron Cv Majesty. How beautiful it is. Okay, see? Okay, so kindly check the adult leaf and that of the juvenile leaf. See the difference. Spearheading, okay, hastate shape of the dahon. Okay, kindly check the hastate. Okay, I'd like this one with the juvenile. It is because of the copper color. Okay, actually, I am going to share this. I am going to read this. Our Philodendron Cv Majesty is a hybrid between that of Philodendron verrucosum, okay, cross with Philodendron cederoi. Okay, so this is the result is our Philodendron Cv Majesty. Cv means cultivar. So once again, this is our Philodendron Cv Majesty. Okay, before I am going to end my review, shout out to our students who have their graduation yesterday, and to our grade 10 who had their moving up the other day. Congratulations, my students, and for those plant moms and plant dads, tanamoms and tanan dads, okay, inang and tatang, please stay healthy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Do not fail to subscribe to Mommy Scrups channel. So once again, this is our Philodendron Cv Majesty. So please do not fail to subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone.